call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Welcome back. It's dinner time, so I pulled these steaks out of the freezer. There's 2 steaks here, and we got 1 package of the rice and some mixed collard greens and onion, and some steak rub. I'm gonna take these 2 steaks and divide that into 4 and make that 4 meals. So we'll have that tonight and tomorrow, which means all this stuff here will be divided by 4. So yeah, and I'm gonna cut these up with some onion, throw it in a Ziploc bag, throw some of this rub in there, and let that marinate for a little bit, okay? So I trimmed the fat off the steak, and then I cubed it up. I put it in a Ziploc bag, threw a tablespoon of this pep rub in. You use it for steak, beef, pork, fish, whatever. It's really good stuff, folks. Anyway, I put a tablespoon of that in there, massaged it up real good, so that's gonna marinate for a minute. I cut up these onions, and then I took the canola oil and sprayed our La Creuset freaking pan. We love this pan. And so this will be heating up in a minute. We got our greens back here, and then the water over here is getting hot for the rice, okay? Alright, so our greens is back here simmering up. Our rice is just about done back there. Now our pan's all heated up, so we're gonna add our steak that we marinated with that rub up in here. I'm gonna cook this up for a minute, and then we're gonna add them onions. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw these onions up in there. And we're gonna cook these down. And then this rub has like a brown sugar in it, so after it's all just about cooked, we're gonna add maybe a tablespoon or 2 of water, and that's gonna give it a little bit of glazing to the steak. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, there's tonight's little meal prep dinner. Here's my dinner for tonight. Here's his dinner for tonight. Here's my dinner for tomorrow. Here's his dinner for tomorrow. So I made 2 meals stretched into 4, which cut back the points and the calories and saved some money. Hope you guys are having something yummy. And until next time, always remember, be happy, be healthy, and enjoy budgeting and cooking some food. See you later. Bye.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never